Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my English channel. This is teacher Ismail. Is this grade 6? Grade 6. Today we're going to be looking at Unit 3, Lesson 2. And we're going to focus on describing sea animals. Describing sea animals. Do you know sea animals? Do you have them at your home? Alright, get ready for the lesson and we start.
Students' Book, Unit 3, Lesson 2. Exercise 1. Listen, point and repeat.
Jellyfish, shark, seahorse, coral reef, rayfish, diver, starfish.
Now can you get your books and open page 36. Smile 36. Number 2. What does the instruction say? It says, read the description and match with the pictures. Read the description and match with the pictures. So let's read number 1. Its head is like a horse. Its head is like a horse, but it hasn't got any legs. Its head is like a horse, but it hasn't got any legs. It is small and lives in the Mediterranean. It lives in the Mediterranean. So can you find the picture? Find the answers. Number 1 is gonna be answer D. Do you understand? So let's go to the next. This sea animal is frightening because it has got sharp teeth. Number 2 says, this sea animal is frightening because it has got sharp teeth. What is that? Can you look at the picture? The answer is gonna be E. Number 3, this person likes swimming underwater and looks at sea animals. This person likes swimming underwater and looks at sea animals. Who's that? It's gonna be letter F. That's a diver. So I want you to answer for me number 4, 5, and 6. Do you understand? Let's read together. Number 4. They have got many colors. You find them in warm water. Small fish live there. Number 5. This beautiful sea animal has got 5 arms. It can be red, orange, or yellow. And 6. This sea animal lives on the floor. It hasn't got any bones. Its body is like a kite. What's that? Can you find the animal and answer for me? Do you understand? Now let's visit the aquarium. Let's visit the aquarium. Can you see animals inside? Yes. Can you look at the picture and the video as well? You can see some people around. So we're gonna have student A and student B. Student A is gonna say, what sea animals can you see? What sea animals can you see? B is gonna say, I can see a shark. Can you see a shark? Yeah, it's swimming in the aquarium and people are looking at it. So, student is gonna say, what does it look like? What does it look like? B is gonna say, it has got a big mouth. It has got a big mouth. It has got sharp teeth. It has got sharp teeth. It has got small eyes. Can you look at the eyes? They are too small. It's gray in color. It's gray in color. Its eyes are very small. Its eyes are very small. Let's read again. What sea animals can you see? I can see a shark. What does it look like? It has got a big mouth. It has got sharp teeth. It has got small eyes. It's gray in color. And finally, its eyes are very small. In this slide, we can still look at some other sea animals. Can you look at the video? Can you see the starfish? Can you see the jellyfish? Can you see the coral reef? Alright, we're gonna have student A and student B. Student A is gonna say, can you see a starfish? Can you see a starfish? B is gonna say, yes, I can. Yes, I can. What does it look like? Let's look at the starfish. What does it look like? Alright, student B is gonna say, it's yellow in color. Can you see the starfish? It's yellow, right? It looks like a star in shape. It looks like a star in shape. Next, it has got 5 arms. It has got 5 arms. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 arms. It hasn't got any bones. It hasn't got any bones. Maimi kadu. Starfish, maimi kadu. It hasn't got any bones. Student A is gonna say, where does it live? Where does it live? B is gonna say, it lives in the ocean. It lives in the ocean. Let's read again. Can you see a starfish? Yes, I can. What does it look like? It's yellow in color. It looks like a star in shape. It has got 5 arms. It hasn't got any bones. Where does it live? It lives in the ocean. Do you understand the lesson about sea animals? Can you now describe them? Alright, thank you very much for watching my lesson. Goodbye.